Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, andito na naman tayo guys sa latest update na naman tayo ng ating visa bulletin. So, meron na namang bagong publish na visa bulletin. Latest for February 2024 for fiscal year 2024. So, ito yung latest update ngayon guys na visa bulletin for February. AB3 Employment Base third category Philippines guys is September 1, 2022. So from January, visa bulletin, ang cut-off date niya is August 1, 2022. So itong latest release ngayon for February, cut-off dates is September 1, 2022. So nag-move lang siya guys ng 1 month. So, congratulations doon sa mga pasok na doon sa priority date to the cut-off dates September 1, 2022. So congratulations guys. So merong 1 month movement. Yung mga hindi pa kasama sa movement guys, hintay-hintay lang tayo. So magkakaroon din yan. For the next visa bulletin, mag-move din yan. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na yung moving forward guys. So yan guys, silipin lang natin yung ating visa bulletin. So visa bulletin. Okay. Click natin to guys. So ito na nga yung visa bulletin guys for January. Ito naman yung February. So ito yung fiscal year 2024. So pag click mo to guys, so ito yung February. Ngayon, click na lang natin dito. Ito yung latest update as of today. As of today, January 13, 2024. So ito yung latest visa bulletin for February 2024. So click natin yan guys. Scroll down tayo sa baba. Look for employment base. Okay, so employment third preference, other workers category. Dito guys, employment base. Dito tayo sa third preference. So yung Philippines guys. So, cut-off dates is September 1, 2022. At the same time guys, rest of the world, September 1, 2022. China, September 1, 2020. India, July 1, 2012. Mexico, September 1, 2022. And last yung Philippines nga guys is September 1, 2022 din. So, ang iba lang dito guys yung China at saka yung especially yung India. So, medyo matagal pa yung retrogression nila no. 2012. So, naka-retrogression pa rin sila. So, ito yung latest visa bulletin update guys of today, January 13, 2024. So, for the visa bulletin February 2024. So, congratulations again guys. Yun lang po ang latest update natin ngayon guys. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you next time guys. Bye-bye.